Hello and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making some deliciously different sliced potatoes. First of all, you're going to get your potatoes and then get you some ice. Because what we're going to do is we're going to peel those potatoes, slice those potatoes, and put them in some ice water. Putting the potatoes in the ice water will prevent the potatoes that we cut up from turning brown. You don't want your potatoes turning brown while you're peeling the other ones or cutting the other ones because it will happen quickly. So first of all, we're going to peel these potatoes. Next, we're going to slice them and slice them thin. Can you see how thin this is? Make sure they're sliced really thin, okay? Remember, put them in the ice water as soon as they're cut. Now we're going to rinse them, get them out of the ice water, rinse them really good because potatoes are dirty. You want to make sure you rinse them, and sometimes you can rinse them before you peel them or you can rinse them after you peel them, but definitely afterwards. After rinsing them, I'm going to put them in that same container, and that's what we're going to bake them in. But make sure you drain them really well. Now we're going to start adding our ingredients, and as you will see, there's only a few. We're going to start off with our avocado oil, and we're going to generously add avocado oils to our potatoes. Next, we are going to add just like a tablespoon of some minced garlic. And for our secret ingredient, I'm going to use some Lipton Onion Soup mix. Yes, I'm not going to cut up any onions. I'm not going to put a whole lot of different seasonings. I'm going to use that soup mix and a little salt, and that's it. I'm going to combine this really well. Just mix it up. Get all those ingredients because you want everything coated really well. You want that oil to help all those seasonings and things stick to the potatoes. So make sure you have oil on all the potatoes, have the seasoning, and those little bitty pieces of onions that's in the soup mixture, have that all mixed in really well. This will help you prevent having to use so many different ingredients and cutting up onions and going through all of that. And it's all going to be in this one dish. We're going to combine it really well. After we get it combined really well, we're going to go ahead and top it with some aluminum foil. And we're going to bake it. Okay, so my potatoes should be ready. I'm going to take them out, grab a fork, and see if they are fork tender. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. All right, got a fork. Ooh, hot, hot. So, let's just, oh yeah, they're very tender. Ooh, look at all of these onions and things. Look at all these onions and things. I'm gonna just give it a stir. One last stir. And I wanna taste it, but it's hot. So I'm just gonna grab me just a little piece. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna give this a minute. So, I tell you what, while this is cooling off, for those of you who don't know, I have a cookbook out called Lavonne's Kitchen, Learning to Cook with Love. It's full of recipes. It has over 100 recipes in it, lots of pictures and things. It is available on Amazon. It's available on my website, which is www.lavonneskitchen.com. I have sales all the time out there, so if you don't see it at a price you like now, I'm quite sure you'll find it at a price you like later. But anyway, let's try these. Hot. Ooh, it's good. all that onion flavor. I thought I was gonna have to add some more salt to it, but this is perfect. All right, I am about to cook me some salmon to go with these. So I'm gonna eat that for dinner, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye. Oh, that's good, Sherry. That's real good. That's real good.